Following question is asked in GATE CSE 2015. They have given a program and asked how many times printf statement will be executed. Okay. So initially there are three variables I, j, k which are initialized with value 0. Okay. So here I is having value 0, j is having value 0 and k is having value 0. Now here in j they have given this statement and result of this will be stored in j. So here if 2 into 3, okay, firstly if we see here, so firstly we will calculate those operators which have higher priority. Okay, so plus in comparison of multiplication and division will have lesser priority. Okay, so first we will calculate this, after this we will calculate this. Okay, and after that we will calculate this, and after that this one, and at last then we will perform this plus operation. Okay, so 2 into 3 will be 6, 6 divided by 4 1 point something. Okay, so this is 6 and 6 divided by 4. Okay, this 6 divided by 4 will be 1 point something, so result of this will be 1. Here this is 2.0 divided by 5, so because this is given a float value, so its result will be stored as a float value. Okay, in temporary variable. Okay, so in intermediate variable this will be 0.4. Okay, and this 8 divided by 5 both are integer value, so its result also will be integer value stored in temporary variable. So 5 1 ja 5, and after that whatever the decimal value will, after point whatever the value will be, so we will store 1 here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 2 plus 0.4 will be 2.4. Okay, so 2.4 will be this result, but because j is integer value, so we will store 2. Okay, so our j will become 2 here. Now k equal to k minus 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 j. Okay, here they have given this minus also. Okay, so what is the value of k? That is 0, and minus minus j, it means pre-decrement is given. So first this 2 will be decremented by 1 and become 1, and 0 minus 1 will be minus 1, and so here k will become minus 1. Now here for loop I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, so what is the value of I? That is 0. Okay, what is the value of j here? 1. Okay, so I value is 0 and I is less than 5. Yes, condition true. We will go inside here this switch statement, and this will execute for what value of I? Okay, if you see here in switch case, k is k will remain same. Okay, what the value are changing, which that is I 0 to 4, because here I less than 5 is written. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, for value of I 0 1 2 3 4, this for loop will be executed. So for switch case we will have first 0. Here they have given in switch case I plus k. Okay, they have given I plus k, and here what is the k value? That is minus 1. Okay, and this will remain same for each case. Okay, whenever while we are changing the value, that is I. So firstly I will be 0, then I value will be 1. Okay, then I value will be 2, then I value will be 3, and then I value will be 4. Okay, and this k value will remain same. minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, you can see here clearly. Okay, I value is changing and this k value will be remain same for this for loop. Okay, so 0 plus 1 will be minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 plus minus 1 will be 0. Okay, and 2 minus 1 will be 1, 3 plus minus 1 will be 2. Okay, and 4 minus 1 will be 3. Okay, now here, and whenever this I value will be 5, 5 is less than 5, condition will be false, we will come out this for loop. Before this, let us calculate how many times this printf statement will be executed. When this switch case having value minus 1 because of I plus k, so here in this case, this is case 1, case 2, case 3 and default case. So this minus 1 is not matching with this 1, 2, 3. So default case will be executed. So here printf will be executed only one time. When this I plus k value is 0, so again this default case will be executed. So here also printf statement will be executed only one time. When this 2 minus 1 means I plus k value is 1. Okay, in that case this case 1 will be executed and we haven't written any break statement, and here in case 1 we don't have any printf statement. So how many time printf statement will be executed? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so here 3 times will be executed. When this I plus k value is 2, in that case we will land here, and 1, 2, 3, 3 times will be this printf statement will be executed. When this is 3, so we will land here, and 1 and 2, 2 times this printf statement will be executed. If we see overall, so 1 plus 1 2, 3 5, 3 8, 2 10. So overall 10 times this printf statement will be executed. Okay, so here overall whenever this I plus k statement will be for value minus 1, default case will be executed. Okay, so one time. For 0, again default case will be executed, so again one time. When value is 1, then this, because we don't have any break statement and case 1 don't have any printf statement, so 1 2 3 3 times. For 2 again 3 times, and for 3 2 times. Okay, so total 10 times will be executed. So for our question, correct answer will be 10. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Thank you.